Hello everybody, my name is June Ebersol. I oversee the Natural History Department here at McWane Science Center. When most people think of museums, they think of things just like this. Big and fancy objects or specimens on display for everybody to come and see. But what a lot of people don't realize is that with most museums, only 5 to 10% of their collections are actually on exhibit. So what I'm going to do is take you actually back a house so you can see our collection here and what your donations actually go towards. Well, right now we are in McWane Science Center's collection storage room where 95% of our collection is housed. We have roughly 500,000 specimens related to the natural history of Alabama, and we have the state's largest fossil collection. A lot of people don't realize that Alabama is the #1 state in the US for fossils, and we are a representative sample of that. A lot of what we do back here at McWane Science Center back of house is the actual science itself. Everything from the fieldwork collecting to the preservation and conservation of not only the specimens themselves, but the information with them, which then allows us to turn these things around into the exhibits that you see on the floor. This is one of the 500,000 specimens that we have here at McWane Science Center, where this is a nearly complete skeleton from a giant ground sloth. I think many people have seen the Ice Age movies with Sid the Sloth. Well, that animation was actually based on this animal. These are gigantic Ice Age animals, where here's just a single hand that we reconstructed showing what this animal looked like. Each one of these dinner plate sized hands would have a single claw on there, so absolutely huge. A lot of what we do here in the collections department of McWane Science Center is research these things to learn about these ancient and extinct animals, but we also clean, restore, and get these things ready for exhibition. So behind me here is our reconstruction of our giant ground sloth, based on the specimen that we have right here in the McWane collection. Your contributions are imperative at McWane Science Center. It allows us to do this entire process of not only going into the field and collecting specimens like this, but also restoring them, conserving them, but most importantly, researching them so we can learn about Alabama's prehistory, but ultimately reconstructing them so people can see what these animals look like, so we can actually teach the current science.